We got some great news for Oracle stock investors as the company continues to give revenue growth forecasts that are accelerating. Management team has talked extensively about how demand for its products exceeds supply and the AI industry overall is booming. So I'm going to share with you some details that are excellent news for Oracle stock investors.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
So, in their conference call with Wall Street analysts, Oracle's management team said that for fiscal year 2026, they expect total cloud revenue will grow 40%, which will be an acceleration from the 24% in 2025. Cloud infrastructure revenue will grow over 70%, which will be an acceleration from 51% in 2025. So both parts of the company's business are expected to accelerate from the fiscal year 2025 into fiscal year 2026. Overall, the company expects total revenue of at least 67 billion in 2026, which would be up 16% year over year and would be an acceleration of revenue growth from that year. And of course, they expect remaining performance obligations to likely increase by more than 100% in fiscal year 2026. And remember, remaining performance obligations eventually turn into revenue. And remaining performance obligations increasing by 100% when revenue is still only increasing at 16% points a signal to continued acceleration in revenue growth for Oracle in the upcoming years. Also, that revenue forecast is roughly $1 billion higher than the previous forecast the company gave just a few months earlier. So, just in the last 3 months, Oracle became more optimistic about about its expectations in 2026. How much more optimistic? $1 billion worth more optimistic about its expectations. So Oracle absolutely thriving. It's invested in the right category and demand is soaring in this category. By the way, the document I'm looking at here is Oracle's fourth quarter 2025 earnings call transcript. I have this highlighted transcript available for all my channel members. So all you need to do is subscribe to my channel as a member and you'll get access to these documents and many more just like this one. So Oracle's management team also said that Oracle will be the largest and most profitable cloud applications company in the world. Oracle developed suites of integrated AI agent-based applications for enterprise resource management, EPM, supply chain, manufacturing, human resources, and customer engagement, plus industry applications for healthcare, banking, utilities, retail, hospitality, and many other industries. And you've seen this across the board, and I've seen this across the board. Nearly every company I'm following, and I follow over 200 companies, have all been talking about their investments in artificial intelligence. Every company is trying to utilize the rising effectiveness of AI and deploy it in various categories in their business. The most obvious category is customer service, where instead of having someone call in and speak to a representative to gain customer service or chat with the representative online, you deploy an AI agent to communicate with your customers who might have questions. That does two things, right? One, it lowers your costs. As a business, you don't have to employ people to serve that customer service function. Secondly, it increases the quality of customer service. There is no company in the world that can train their employees as well as they can train AI models to serve customers because employees will forget a lot of the information you train them with, whereas the artificial intelligence will not forget that information. So you train that AI model with all of your company's information and you can update new information as it becomes available, and that customer relationship representative or the AI agent can then communicate with your customers more effectively and more efficiently than arguably any human being can in that function. So you lower your cost and you increase the quality of customer service. Those kinds of situations are very difficult to find as a business where you can both lower your cost and increase the value you add to customers. So that's just one of the many categories where businesses are seeing obvious advantages in investing in artificial intelligence, and that's creating a surge in demand for these services. The manager goes on to say, we use the most modern application generators and AI database technology to build their AI suite and add analytics using OpenAI, XAI, Google Llama, and other popular large language models. Oracle went on to say that they are already prospering in this new era of cloud computing and artificial intelligence. And that's been true. And I've been saying that for a while now. And that's part of the reason why I recommended Oracle as one of the best 9 stocks to buy here in 2025. And it's already up significantly year to date. And investors that invested in this company have made nice returns on that investment, and it's just in the middle of the year. That being said, Oracle's valuation is getting stretched. It's now trading at a forward price to earnings of 34, whereas when I first recommended it, it was trading at a forward price to earnings of 24. Still, you're getting a better business today than you were in January, right? Because the management team has reported significant growth in remaining performance obligations and upgraded their target estimates for the upcoming fiscal year in terms of sales and other positive metrics that investors are attracted to. So I still believe that this is one of the best 9 stocks to buy right now. However, I like it a little bit less than I did to start 2025 because the valuation has increased by so much already in 2025. So I'm getting this chart from Fiscal.ai. There's a link in the description if you're interested in seeing charts just like this one. It helps you save a lot of time in doing your financial research. Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce that my book is finally available for sale. I've been working on it for more than a year now, so I'm really excited to finally share this with you now. It goes through my framework for evaluating stocks. Some of you often ask why I like this stock or why I like the other stock, and this framework provides you the things that I look at when I'm evaluating stocks. I've added the link in the description below.